guys, this is Ken from Tech Opened, and I'm here to show you some of the bracelets I got for my Gear S3 Frontier watch, and I've got some new ones that have arrived in the mail today, and I just want to show you them. So as you can see here, I have already set up out here on the table. You can see this red one. You can all get these online, but have in mind, for example, that this red one, you have to be careful with the colors because they're sometimes not what you see in the preview on your computer, screen. So you have to be careful that colors don't always match what you're expected to get. Okay, so in this case, I actually bought this one, which was in the screen. It appeared as really like a Ferrari red. So let me see if I can get this card right here. So you can see what you see in the screen is this red, more of this red color of this card. It's like Ferrari red, but when you get it in the mail, you check it out and it's more of a magenta color. It's not really red. You know, depending on the screen you're looking at, just use the Ferrari color that I told you about to kind of more or less get an idea of what you see on the screen. It's like a real red, and pure red, and this one is more like a magenta color. So this one didn't come out as I expected, but no problem with that, whatever. I actually ordered this as well, that's just like these little covers that you can put on the watch so it doesn't get scratched. But you know, I'm not sure I want to use this in the end because it looks kind of funky to me. I'm not really sure if I'm going to use this. Maybe like if I'm going to the beach or running and you know, doing some activity that might actually damage the watch, that I would probably use this. But more, you know, besides that, I don't think I'm going to use this. So you know, I can't recommend it or not recommend it. You know, it's up to you if you want to use this. I'll try and show you how this looks on the watch in another video, because I have a whole bunch of you know, you can check out my Instagram as well, because I have a whole bunch of photos of how you can personalize your watch, either with, you know, matching the gear band with the face on the watch, as well as your phone. You can do like a whole match around. It looks kind of nice when I'm going to show you later on what you can do. Just give you an example or two. Then I have this white one. You know, I actually have a Fossil watch that's all white, and I love it. So I thought, why not buy this one for the gear? Check out the photo. You can also check out photos of some samples that I'm going to put on Instagram so you can see what it looks like. This is the original band that came with the watch. So if you compare these with the original one, I think I can say it's exactly the same one. I was kind of worried that the quality wouldn't be the same as the original one, but to me it looks exactly the same. If it's not exactly the same, it's pretty close. Then we have the yellow one, which looks awesome as well. I actually matched this one with the yellow Ferrari face, and it looks really, really nice. You know, I've actually had compliments for that. People really love it. I'm going to show you. You can check that out as well on Instagram. I also ordered this protective covering. Like I said, I'm not sure I'm going to use it or not. I don't think so. I have this one, which is actually, this is pure leather. It's real leather. This one was a bit more expensive. It cost like 19 euros, I guess. I can't recall. And you can get these for like you know, anything between like a buck to $7 to $10 to $5. Depends where you get them from. You can get them from eBay, Amazon, whatever. You know, there's so many sites selling these now. So I'm gonna try and put a link so you can see where I got mine, and if you want to order some for yours and personalize your watch the way I do. This one, like as I said, it's leather and it shows a little bit more quality. And I actually matched this one up with the Timberland face. So for you Timberland fans, guys who like the Timberland brand, you can, you know, just slap this on your watch and replace the face with the Timberland faces that you can actually get from the apps, and it looks really nice. And you know, at first glance, People even think you have like a Timberland smartwatch, that they made a Timberland smartwatch, so it looks really cool. And you know, check that out on Facebook and Instagram as well, please. So like I was saying, at the moment, as you can see, I actually have this fluorescent green one on my watch, which looks really cool, man. I mean, check it out. You can't, let me see if I can, yeah, now it's better. So as you can see, I have like a fluorescent green face on the watch. Let me see, I can show you better. And it matches up with this green band, so it looks really like, you know, high tech. Looks cool. And the black contrasts pretty nicely with the, you know, this black of the watch case itself. Looks really nice with this green, fluorescent green. So this is just one example of what you can do. And yeah, now I'm gonna show you the ones I got in the mail. I'm actually gonna unbox these so you can see. Let me just close this really quick. So these actually came in the mail today. I'm gonna unwrap them. I believe there was a blue, royal blue, light blue, and I can't remember the other color I ordered. Let me see. Yeah. So, okay. So here in the camera, at least in my phone, I can see it looks much bluer. Here in reality, it's much more light blue tint. So it's not. I'm seeing this through a Note 8 screen, so it looks much, you know, brighter and colorful. But this one is more like a light blue. If you look at it in real life, it looks nice. It's okay. I'll just take it out, see it better. So yeah, quality's, you know, exactly like the other ones. Pretty okay, nice. And I'm gonna match this up with some faces as well, so you can see what you can do. You can actually match, I wouldn't do that, you know, I wouldn't do that, but you can actually, for example, you can get like, imagine you have this screen one that I showed you a few seconds ago. You can actually like put a blue here with green, you know, you can do something like this, and actually get a watch face that's like half blue, half green, look, you know, kind of original. I'm not sure I'm going to do that, but just to give you an idea. Then you can, let me see what else. Oh, let's open this other one. Let's check this one out really quick. See what we have. Yeah, this is a royal blue one. Let me just get this out of the way. So this is a royal blue. Then again, here on the screen, to me it looks more of like you know, a normal dark blue, and here it has more of, in real life it has more of a slight, it tends a little bit more to magenta. It's not that, it's kind of almost like a blue going to purple a bit, you know, in real life, but it's still blue. I mean, if you look at it, it's blue, but compared to the screen, it just let's see, let's check it out real quick. So like I said, through the screen it looks much like blue, an intense blue, and in real life it's more of a dull, you know, dark blue going a little bit more to magenta. So, but it looks nice. I think this looks nice. I wish it would look like what I'm seeing in the screen right now, but you know, unfortunately it's not. No problem. Now we have this one right here. I'm gonna open this one really quick. Super bag. Now this is a turquoise blue that I ordered. Okay. Oops. Turquoise blue. Now this one, yet again, here on the screen, looks totally different from real life. Here it's like a real like baby blue, light turquoise blue. So here it looks more turquoise, and on the screen it's more like a light blue, and here in real life it's turquoise. So the thing with buying, like I said, buying these bands or whatever items, you know, when you're depending on the color, you have to be really careful because things sometimes don't turn out to what you see in the real life screen, so you have to have that in mind when you're ordering these things. Okay guys, that's just a warning. So okay guys, this was just a quick unboxing so you can see some possibilities with watch bands. I might order some more. I mean, there's not many more choices out there that you can get, but let me just lay these out so you can see so far what I've got. And I mean, you can basically have a new watch every day. You know, if you want to, every week you can change your watch face, change your band, and you have something new every day, which is pretty cool. You know, you don't get bored of it. So here you can see, and we have the brown one, just forgetting the brown one, the leather one. So this is basically it, guys. Yeah. So then again, check out my Instagram. I'm going to be posting more photos of combinations that you can, you know, do with the watch, and maybe you can get some ideas. I'm going to tell you where you can get the faces, at least where I'm getting them from. I'm not getting them from the Gear store. I'm getting them from other places. So I'm going to show you where, you know, one straight ahead that I'm using the most is actually Facer. So in case you don't know Facer, check it out. It's pretty nice. It has some, you know, it's kind of buggy sometimes. It lags, and sometimes it shuts down. You have to close the app and open it again, which is kind of annoying. But in the end, you have a whole lot of watch faces. You know, it's my favorite one, to be honest. It has the coolest ones. If you want to buy these watch bands, I'm gonna try and, like I said, I'm gonna try and put a link, you know, where you can get these. There are some more options. You have like stainless steel version ones, like you have this like magnetic one that wraps around your wrist. It just glue, you know, it magnetizes right away it closes automatically. You know, there are some more options, but I'm starting, you know, I think I'm getting to my limit already. I mean, you can do so many things with these already. I could get a black leather one, probably the stainless steel one. I'm gonna have to see, but I don't think there's like many more that I would actually buy. I don't know, I have to see more in detail. Let's see if there's any ones that I would like to get besides these, but you know, you can do a lot with these already. So thanks for I'll also have some links from, you know, some videos so you can see accessories like extra chargers, screen protectors, basically, yeah, that's it. There's nothing more you can get that I can recall of besides like maybe an extra charger to have in your car. Just check out that video that I have, and yeah, check it out, guys. Okay, thanks for watching the video. Don't forget to subscribe, give me a like if you like the video, comment what you would like to see next. Maybe I can get some watch bands on the channel to show you. Just, you know, throw me your opinions, tell me what you want to see, and I'll try and get that for you guys. Okay, thanks for watching. Bye bye.